Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem if given x square yz is equal to 48, x y square z is equal to 72, and x y z square is equal to 96. Then find the value of 1 upon xy plus 1 upon yz plus 1 upon zx. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. First, we have to find out 1 upon xy. So, for that, equation 3 divided by equation 1 and 2. Okay. So, equation 3 is this one. X, y, z square divided by 1. This x square, y, z. Okay. And multiply second one. xy² z. What is the value for this one? 96. Equation 3 value, equation 1 value 48, and 2 is 72. 48 times 72. Here x and x cancel. So in the denominator we get x square. Y and y cancel, we get y square. Z square, here z multiply z square, cancelled with this. So we got 1 upon x square y square. Here 96 divided by 48 and 72. So 48 times 1, 48, and 48 times 2, 96. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 36 is 72. Okay, so we got 1 upon 36. Both side taking a square root, so we get 1 upon xy is equal to 1 upon 6. Square root 36 is 6. Okay, so we found 1 upon xy value 1 upon 6, which is equation 4. Now we have to find out 1 upon yz value. So equation 1 divided by equation 2 and 3. Equation 1 divided by 2 and 3. Okay, so what is equation 1? X square yz 2 xy square z, and third xy z square. These values, equation 1 48, and this is 72, second equation value, and third one is 96. So here x square and this x multiply x cancelled with x square, y cancel, left y square. Okay, this one z cancel, left z square, and here left 1. Okay, 48 times 1, 48 times 2 is 96. So 1 upon 2 times 72, 144. What is 1 upon yz value? Both side taking a square root, so square root of 144 is 12. This is equation 5. Now we have to find out this 1 upon zx. So we do equation 2 divided by 1 and 3. Okay, equation 2 divided by 1 and 3. Equation 2 is xy square z, x square y z, multiply third one is xy z square. Second one value is 72, first value 48, and third value 96 from here. Okay, now 72 and 48 cancelled by 24. So 24 times 2, 48, and 24 times 3 is 72. Now 3 and 96 cancelled by 3. So 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 2, 6. Here x cancelled with x, we get 1 upon x square. Y and this y square cancelled with y square, z cancel, left z square. Okay, and in numerator just left 1. All these things cancelled. Here 1 upon 2 times 32, 64. Okay, so what is 1 upon xz value? Both side taking square root, so we get 1 upon 8. This is equation 6. So we found all these three fractions values: 1 upon xy, 1 upon yz, 1 upon zx. Okay, we can write 1 upon xy plus 1 upon yz plus 1 upon zx. From equation 4, 1 upon xy value is 1 upon 6. This is 1 upon yz value 1 upon 12, and this is 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 6, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 8. For adding these fractions, we have to make same denominator, and here least common denominator of 6, 12 and 8 is 24. So make 24. 6 times 4, 24, 12 times 2, 24, 8 times 3, 24. 4 upon 24 plus 2 upon 24 plus 3 upon 24. So 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 9, and 9 upon 24. 9 and 24 divided by 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 8, 24. Our final answer is 3 upon 8. Right? So very simple question, but if you have any doubt in any step, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.